Welcome back to our channel. We are picking up 12 cars today, and this is our first load. We are gonna do 4 cars each load. All right, let me pay attention. All right, hope I got this right. This is a Jeep Compass, so it's got a narrow wheelbase on this, so we're good right here. If you are new to our channel, we are a car hauling channel in California. We are hauling 12 cars today, and this is my first load. I got a window from 7 to 3 o'clock. So I gotta hurry up and deliver these cars before 3 o'clock. I can't mess around today. All the cars are in the sold lot. We got 3 loads. You gotta know where to put the first, second, third, and fourth car. Out of the 12 cars, you gotta keep 1 car each load. The third car is gonna go on the bottom front. Whenever you go into the auctions, always carry some jumpers with you. If you're not sure where to position your tires here, always get off and double check your back of your car. This one's it's a smaller SUV, so I decided to put this one on the ramp. Look at this, I'm already off a little bit. It's got a more of a narrow wheelbase. So I'm looking at my frame here on the inside of the trailer. Okay, perfect. That's where I'm not gonna fight this car. It's giving me a little problems going up the ramp. So I'm just gonna leave it right here. I got about a foot between the first car and this car. I'm gonna shut it off. Yeah, I knew it doesn't start. Oh well, whenever your car's not gonna start, always put the emergency brake on because it might be electronic. I got lucky with this one. This one is a pull emergency brake. I'm gonna start strapping my cars. I gotta do this 12 times, guys. I like to back up my second car. That way I got a lot of, it drops my height. The more you do this, the faster you get. So don't get discouraged. Don't do too much at one time if you don't have the experience. Just take it one step at a time, one day at a time. I'm gonna raise the ramp up. This is ready. So I'm gonna grab the remote and it's gonna go up. Looks like we're putting the Toyota Corolla, looks like a little Toyota Corolla, on the 3rd spot. Before I drive the car in, I'm gonna put my safety pins in, which are these right here. Whenever you're raising the ramp up, check the clearance, check between your bumpers right here, these 2 vehicles right here. Okay, right there, that should do it. My safety pin in, because you never know when these hydraulic pumps might go out. I think she's gonna load it. Yeah, come on in. All right, load it up. Never put your hand right here. It'll get run over. I know, sometimes I like to be funny. Go that way. Okay, come on. Okay, look forward. Look at your mirrors. Go ahead. So whenever you're driving this in, look at your mirrors right here. You'll know if you're in the middle or not. See? Oh, stop. You're not in the middle. Did you check your mirrors?
I did.
All right, hold on. Forward more. Okay, right there, right there, right there. Should be good right there. You're good. Right there. Let's see if you're gonna squeeze in through there and get your jacket all messed up. Okay.
Oh,
Oh.
my head.
Oh. Ouch. Okay. So sometimes you learn the hard way. We get a lot of viewers from all over the world, so shout out to everyone that likes this channel. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. So on this strap right here, I like to leave it a little short. That way I know it's not going to be in the way of this strap of my last car. If I was going far, I would have to put my strap in here, but I'm just going to short distance today. I got 3 inches on my cab right here. She's about to drive the car up. I normally drive them up, but we got a busy day today. Hey, drive it up. This is our bigger car. The bigger car always goes in the back. Stop. And I stop her right here. That way I know. Yeah, she's already off a little bit. I'm gonna have her go to the left more. I'll go to the left more. Okay, stop. I think that should be good. Yeah, she's off a little bit, but so it'll work. I'm gonna have her pull forward. Go about a foot forward. Whoa. You're good right there. Yeah, that's good right there, guys. This is the part that I hate right here. But I fixed the mesh thanks to my monkey wrench a couple months ago. This is the part that was stressing me all the time because you can't really put the strap in the middle. But like I said, thanks to the monkey wrench, I fixed that problem. If you guys haven't seen that video, put the monkey wrench right here, bring it up. You could actually put your hook right there now. Like, what is he talking about?
So did you mention how you're going to do the rest of the vehicles?
Yeah, but you can mention it to them.
How many do we have left? 8.
We're doing 3 loads. And I mentioned that each load has 1 car and 3 SUVs.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, so if you don't know how to load them, you got 12 cars, you got to figure out what's going to be the first load. Don't try to put all the 3 cars and you end up putting the SUV right there and you're going to be too high.
Makes sense. So fortunately, we do have 3 sedans. It's 2 Toyota Corollas and 1 Hyundai. So that's making it a little bit easier to do the 12 vehicles. On the majority of the 12 cars right here on the sold lot. Now we're still missing 3, but I believe they're supposed to be there as well.
That's it.
Ready to head out?
We are out of here. I'm gonna put my stuff away. Turn off my pump.
If you have any questions or comments, let us know if you would have done anything differently or...
Sorry. There's no other way of doing this unless you drive them over there.
So he's going around, he's making sure all vehicles have straps.
I'm checking my tires, my wheels, because once you get a heavy load, you can tell if you got a broken leaf spring. Got my ramps locked up. Wheels are okay. Vamonos! All right.